So let's jump straight into the video. I start by using henna powder from sheabuttercottage. The amount will depend on how much hair you have. Then I add a splash of lemon oil, that's 2 tablespoonfuls for my hair, and just a dash of lemon juice to allow the color to not be as black as it can be. Then I add some hot water into the mix, and I add a little bit to begin with. And if I feel I need more for consistency, I'll add more. And I use a plastic bowl and I use a plastic mixer. Now, using henna for my hair has many benefits. It is a natural hair conditioner. It strengthens the hair, it promotes growth, it fights dandruff, and it's chemical free. Unless you're using the black henna, it's chemical free. So that's the consistency I like to have in my henna before I apply it to my hair. As you can see, I haven't used too much because I found from previous usage that I don't need too much henna for my entire head. I just need to be able to make sure the roots are covered. So this is my hair now. As you can see, it's brown in color because I haven't used henna in quite a long time, and my hair growth has been a lot recently. The less I mess with my hair, the more it loves me. So you can see my hair is brown, and here I did a patch test. I always do so after mixing it to see if I have an allergic reaction. Then of course I use my plastic gloves because I don't want the henna to stain my hands. That's very important when you're using henna. Now, I don't detangle my hair. I don't do anything when I'm applying the henna because I will go through a wash and a condition afterwards. That's when I detangle, not when the henna is in, because when the henna is in your hair, sometimes it can feel very, very, very dry. And that is the worst time that you would like to detangle your hair. So I just make sure my entire head from root to top is covered, which you will see. So there is no rhyme or reason to how I apply it. I just make sure that it covers my hair. And because I'm filming in my very white and very bright studio, I would never comb the henna out in my hair anyway, because it will be splashing. Just applying here the product to my edges, because I have found that it's really helped me regrow my edges since I lost them due to traction alopecia. So the henna actually expands the hair that are what we call the baby hairs and makes them feel thicker and makes them feel fuller. So from here on, I'm just applying the same method or lack thereof to the second half of my hair. Again, once I have managed to coat my entire hair, whatever is left, I go to the ends of my hair, which are the oldest part of my hair, and I apply the henna there too. So here I'm just showing you close up how it looks. And again, I know someone will probably say, you're not 4C hair, but I assure you, I have strands of 4A hair at the back of my head, but that's less than 5% of my entire head. My whole head is 4C hair. And here I show you the back because I can't see the back and I don't have a mirror when I'm doing this. I just go by feeling it. If it feels wet, then I know it's covered. And then whatever's left over of the henna product, I just go in and add it to my hair, especially the front of my hair where I had quite a few bits of gray hair. Yes, darlings, I am growing older and wiser. I think I just spilled quite a significant amount of the henna onto my dress, but the dress I'm wearing is my henna dress, so don't you worry. It's filled with stains from previously doing various mixtures to my hair, especially henna. So I'm just showing you here, like it's just falling down, but back it goes into the hair. And also my scalp, because I have had problems with dandruff before, but since starting to use henna the last, 4 years, it's decreased significantly. And here I use a wet rag and just wipe off any excess that has fallen on my face. That is my birthmark, so it's not a henna mark, I promise. And once I do that, my next step is going to be, right now you can see how stiff my hair is because the henna is already drying. What I'm going to do next is to use a plastic bag because I have misplaced my bonnet. I'm going to use a plastic bag and basically cover my hair. I don't know what I'm doing. Somebody help me. My skin's popping though. I'll take a plastic bag and I will cover my hair, and I'll use my hair tie to tie it at the front. This is to allow for my natural body heat to basically help the henna adhere to my hair cuticles a lot better. And once I've done that, I'm going to take a satin wrap that I use nighttime to protect my edges. I'm going to put that over the plastic bag and tie it as it stops the heat from escaping. So that's what I do. And there's my natural armpit hair. Woohoo! And at this point, I've had the henna in for about an hour, and my hair has taken to the color very, very, very well. But again, I don't like manipulating my hair before I rinse it out. The next step here, which I won't be filming, is that I'll go to the bathroom, I'll rinse the henna out until the water runs clear, and then I'll use my main choice shampoo and shampoo my hair. And then I'll use conditioner to condition it. But that won't be enough. Once you've used henna, you'll realize that even though you've added oil to it, it can still have an effect where your hair feels a little bit drier. And since I have a low porosity hair, I tend to go back in with a main choice deep conditioner. You can use any deep conditioner that works for you. So that's what I'll be doing and sitting underneath my hair steamer. So I'm just showing you how dark my hair's gone. It's not brown anymore as it was in the beginning. And I've only had the henna in for an hour. Some people sleep with the henna in their hair, but for me, that's overkill. I don't want to wake up and my cheeks are covered in what looks like doo-doo, because I like my white cheeks a lot. So my hair feels very, very, very soft, but I also noticed that it needs to be a little bit softer. The softness that I had at the beginning of the video is a bit lost right now. So what I do is I use my main choice and I saturate my hair in it, and I go and use my hair steamer and I sit underneath it for about 30 minutes, making sure the ends of my hair are at the very top of the steamer so that they are coated, because that is where I need it the most. I don't want breakage. So I put on my face mask and I put on my hair mask and I sit there for 30 minutes, and this is what it looks like before I rinse it out. And it feels so much softer already. Yes. Okay guys, it's the next day and I have dried my hair, or allowed it to air dry, and this is the end result. I have found that anytime I do the henna treatment, it works almost better than a protein treatment for me. What I feel like is you can clearly see that my hair is blacker, but you can also see that there's a shine to it. That's due to the oils that I put in. And you can see that my hair is defined. It's like my coils are more coiled up than ever before without having to put more product in it beyond my curling souffle from Lush and my Renee's oil, basically. Is it Renee's souffle from Lush? So my coil pudding and that. And I am very, very happy with it. I'm probably going to end up putting my hair up in a high puff. But for now, this is just what my hair will do and look like after a henna treatment and after a steaming treatment. So I'm really happy with the end result, I must say. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, ask them below. But hopefully you've watched the full video so that you won't have any questions. But if you do, ask away. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for supporting me, and thank you so much for sticking with me despite my irregular upload sessions. There are reasons for that, but all will be revealed very soon. Thank you so much.